Introduction: From readable to usable. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been using Anthropic's Claude for a while, you know it's incredibly smart. But let's be honest, how many times have you typed a quick question, hit enter, and received a response that was just okay? It's readable, sure. But it's not usable. You still have to spend 20 minutes rewriting it, fixing the tone, and stripping out all the generic AI fluff. Today, I'm going to give you a simple, non-negotiable framework that will immediately maximize your output quality. It doesn't require any technical coding knowledge. The easiest and most convenient way to write an elite prompt is by structuring it into exactly 3 distinct paragraphs. Once you start writing your prompts in 3 parts, your results will instantly upgrade. Let's break down exactly what goes into each paragraph. Paragraph 1, Set the stage. Paragraph number 1 is all about setting the stage. Before you ask Claude to write a single word, you need to tell it, who are you? What are you building? And who is this for? You have to get the AI into the correct zone immediately. If you don't give it a role, it defaults to a generic textbook assistant. For example, instead of just saying I need a landing page, your first paragraph should look like this: I'm creating a marketing landing page targeting Generation Z. The product is a premium sustainable water bottle, and our primary goal is to increase our registration conversion rate. Boom. Just like that, Claude now understands the audience, the product type, and the ultimate business goal before it even starts thinking about the text. Paragraph 2, Define the task. Now that Claude knows who it is and what the goal is, we move to paragraph number 2, Defining the task. Here's the rule: the more specific you are, the better the result will be. Don't just ask for copy. Tell the AI exactly what structural pieces you need delivered. Break down the components of your request. Following our landing page example, your second paragraph should say, please help me write a complete set of page copy and provide the exact page structure. I need copy for the first screen, a section for user pain points, our core selling points, a competitor comparison table, an FAQ section, and a clear call to action. By laying it out like this, you are building a literal roadmap for the AI. It knows exactly what modules to build, ensuring nothing important gets left out. Paragraph 3, Specify the rules. Finally, we reach paragraph number 3, Specifying the rules. This is where most beginners completely drop the ball. They forget to set boundaries, so the AI goes wild with the length and tone. In this paragraph, you dictate the exact format, style, language, and length constraints you want. Your third paragraph should sound something like this: use a youthful, energetic tone, but avoid being awkward or cringy. Write the output clearly. The total word count must not exceed 800 words. Make sure each module has a distinct title and clear bullet points, and please provide 3 different style versions so I can compare them. By locking down the rules, you eliminate the guesswork. You are completely blocking the AI from giving you a long-winded, boring essay. Outro and the ultimate golden rule, and that's it. 3 simple paragraphs: set the stage, define the task, specify the rules. When you write in 3 parts, you stop treating the AI like a search engine and start treating it like a highly competent executive assistant. Seriously, don't be lazy with your inputs. Take an extra 60 seconds to type out these 3 steps, and watch your revisions drop to 0. What project are you going to test this framework on today? If you have a prompt that isn't giving you the results you want, paste it in the comments section below, and we'll rewrite it into a perfect 3-paragraph powerhouse together. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical AI workflows, and I'll see you in the very next tutorial.